Alrighty. Hi guys, how are you doing? Whoever it may concern, for my state-based programming example in Python, I chose an elevator, and so it would just simulate, it would be a state machine that controls a simulated elevator. So that's pretty exciting because elevators are super fun. We got states, idle, moving up, moving down, opening doors, closing doors. I just kind of outlined it up here. Transitions. Here, I won't go through them all, but from idle, if an upward request is received and the elevator is below the requested floor, move to moving up state. So you get the idea. There's transitions here. All right. Basic code overview. We've got an enumeration for elevator states. I could have probably done this a different way. I just wanted to use the enumeration. I created an elevator object which has its constructor or initializer, starts at floor 1, sets everything up. Request is when a floor is requested. Move up, pretty self-explanatory. Move down, also self-explanatory. Open doors and close doors. So as far as the main method goes, I just pass in a list of all the floors to go to show an example of the automation. And yep, a nice for loop. And let's go ahead and give her a shot and run this sucker. Requesting floor 4. So it just prints out the floors so you can see the transitions between where the request came and what floor the elevator is on. About halfway through. Six, 7, 8, ding. Requesting floor 1. 4, 3, 2. We have arrived. And exit code 0. So that's about it. Pretty neat, pretty simple example, but I think it's a good example conceptually of the state-based programming archetype. It's pretty fun stuff. All right. Thanks for watching.